Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is Liberty Tech here, back with another video. And if you didn't know, iOS 12.0.1 was released today. And just to show you, let me go ahead and focus on that. Go into settings, and there you go. So, question is, did this fix the Wi-Fi issue? We're going to take a little quick speed test here. And let's get the video going. So we're going to start off with the iPhone X first and see how fast that goes. And while that's going, let me go ahead and make sure that this is on the right server. Okay, so they're both showing Xfinity. And as you can see, let me go ahead and free focus again. 57.5 to 12. So just go ahead and do the iPhone XS Max. And just about done. And as you can see, let me refocus again. It looks like it has improved, but I'm gonna run one more test just to see here. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and rerun the X here. And so far it seems to be doing about 50 to 60. I may taper off at 50 here. And you have 54.1. And clocking in at 11.9. So just go ahead and do this again for the XS Max. And as you can see here, it looks like it really did a number on the Wi-Fi in a good way. As you can see, it's way higher than before. So it might just be me. You know, the software could have helped a majority of the people with this issue. It may have still broken some stuff with some others. Go ahead and leave a comment down below if you are the ones that have been fixed. It's great that Apple has come out with a quick fix this early. You know, usually they like taking their time, but kudos and thumbs up to Apple for doing this. And make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and yeah, peace out.